In the annals of time, amidst ancient lands, unfolds the profound tale of Prophet Yunus, also known as Jonah. His divine mission was to guide the people of Nineveh, a bustling city steeped in idol worship and moral decay. Prophet Yunus, a man of unwavering faith, was tasked with delivering Allah's message, a stark warning of impending punishment. Yet the people, blinded by their ways, met his words with scorn and mockery, refusing to heed the divine call. Disheartened by their stubbornness, Prophet Yunus made a fateful decision, one that would alter the course of his journey. Without awaiting Allah's explicit command, he chose to depart from Nineveh, leaving its people to their impending fate. He sought passage on a ship, hoping to distance himself from the city and its unyielding inhabitants. He boarded a vessel, its sails unfurled, ready to carry him across the vast, open sea. The ship sailed peacefully for a time, the gentle waves lulling its passengers into a false sense of security. But suddenly, the heavens darkened, and a violent storm erupted, transforming the tranquil waters into a raging tempest. The ship was battered mercilessly, its timbers groaning under the onslaught of wind and waves. The terrified sailors, believing a great misfortune had befallen them, decided to cast someone overboard to lighten the load. 3 times, lots were drawn, and each time, the name of Prophet Yunus emerged. Understanding his fate, Yunus accepted the divine decree, knowing his departure from Nineveh was the cause. He was cast into the raging sea, swallowed by the colossal waves, plunging into the abyss. Then, a colossal whale, by Allah's command, emerged from the depths and swallowed him whole. Prophet Yunus found himself in the belly of the whale, a dark, confined, and terrifying prison, surrounded by 3 layers of darkness: the darkness of the night, the darkness of the sea, and the darkness of the whale's belly. In this profound isolation, he realized the gravity of his mistake, his impulsive departure from Nineveh. His heart filled with profound repentance, he turned to Allah with the most sincere supplication. He cried out, "There is no deity except you. Exalted are you. Indeed, I have been of the wrongdoers." This heartfelt prayer from the depths of darkness reached the heavens, a testament to his unwavering faith. Allah, the most merciful, heard his plea and accepted his sincere repentance. By divine command, the whale was instructed to cast Prophet Yunus onto a barren shore. He emerged, weak and ill, his body frail from the ordeal, yet alive by Allah's grace. To provide him solace and nourishment, Allah caused a miraculous plant to grow over him. Under its protective canopy, Yunus slowly recovered, regaining his strength and spirit. With renewed purpose, Prophet Yunus began his journey back towards Nineveh, the city he had once abandoned. But a miraculous change had occurred in his absence. The people of Nineveh had repented. They had turned to Allah, seeking forgiveness for their past transgressions, and their prayers were accepted. Upon seeing Prophet Yunus return, the people rejoiced, welcoming him with open hearts and renewed faith. The city, once steeped in sin, now thrived under Allah's mercy, a beacon of repentance and guidance. The story of Prophet Yunus teaches us the importance of patience and perseverance in conveying Allah's message. It highlights the immense power of sincere repentance and seeking forgiveness from our Creator. Above all, it reveals the vastness of Allah's mercy and His readiness to forgive those who turn to Him. We learn to trust in divine decree and to avoid acting impulsively, always seeking guidance. Prophet Yunus's journey is an enduring message for all believers, a beacon of hope in times of despair. Even from the depths of darkness, one can call upon Allah and find salvation. May we all find strength in His story, embracing faith, repentance, and the boundless mercy of Allah.